Hi guys, I hope you had a good weekend. I'm just sitting here on a Sunday thinking about you doing this video. I knew you'd miss my smiling face today. So I knew that just as much as I was missing you, I figured you guys might be missing me, right? Yeah, let's just say yes. Okay, so two things I need you to do today for me. One being, I want you to do some bell work, as always. And two, I want you to put together a little project for me. This project is not going to be huge. It should be done by the end of the hour, okay? No homework tonight. All right, so what I want you to do is for bell work, is I want you to go onto Canvas and I want you to look up the question. Now, the question is on there about symbolism. What does it represent? Well, a lot of times when we're reading something, an object might mean more than it really is seen on the page, basically. So I want you to kind of think about it a little bit more. For instance, like an eagle. An eagle is a bird, right? So a lot of times if we read about an eagle, we just think about it as a bird. But an eagle in America also represents freedom. So an author might put an eagle into their writing to represent that freedom. Let's talk about one other thing. For instance, like a wedding ring, for instance. A wedding ring can mean a lot of different things. A wedding ring can mean a love. It can mean a commitment. It can mean a union between two people. So sometimes an object can actually represent more than what you're actually seeing, okay, or hearing about or reading about. Today we're going to talk about in our bell work, its question is about a rose bush in front of a jail. Seems a lot of place for me, doesn't it, for you? I mean, a rose bush seems so beautiful. In a jail, not so much, okay? So I want you to kind of read into that a little bit. What could it mean? What could it symbolize? I know we haven't done our reading yet, so this is just predicting. It's just your opinion of what you think it could mean, all right? So the second thing I need you to do, I need you to do a project for me, small project. It has to do with the public shaming we've been talking about. We've been agreeing, disagreeing with it, kind of saying, well, maybe it's okay if they do something really bad, but maybe not so much if they do something that's kind of small. So today, you are going to look up some real life examples of celebrities. Yes, celebrities. We love to public shame our celebrities, don't we? So today you're going to read about these celebrities and why they've been publicly shamed. The articles are small. All you have to do is just read them to see what they did that was so scandalous and so shameful. And then you are going to write a paragraph about it. Don't worry, the directions are on Canvas, so really easy. All right? Then, after you write the paragraph, you are going to create a letter. A letter that represents what bad that they did. Okay? So, for instance, this is an E, and my E represents ego, as you can see with my guy with the big head on it. It's a beautiful drawing, isn't it? Yeah, probably not so much. I know. Miss Slobodzian sucks at drawing, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be a form of art, all right? Hopefully yours look a lot better than mine does. But this is just kind of an example for you guys to see what I want you to do. So you're going to use the construction paper that I provided, markers, whatever, and you're going to create a letter for a word that represents whatever bad thing that that person did. For instance, if it was jealousy, you might do a J for jealousy. And then you might draw on it something that goes along with what they did, okay? Whatever the jealousy might have been, all right? That's just an example. I don't know if there's any, I don't think there's any ones that have a jealousy thing, okay? But you're gonna make a better one than I did, probably. That's for sure. And then we're gonna share with each other tomorrow, all right? So this is lots of fun. I just want you guys to kind of just dive a little bit deeper into this and kind of see. The idea with this letter is that they would wear this letter around so that people would actually see what bad that they did. So they'd always have to wear like this E sewn onto their shirt somewhere or something like that, okay? So that just kind of gives you an idea. So again, you're going to select a celebrity, and you select it out of my popcorn box, okay? So the popcorn box is up at the front. There's a whole bunch of papers in it that are folded up. You're going to pick a celebrity. Whatever celebrity you pick, you're going to go to that celebrity. around the room, okay? So if you look around the room, there's QR codes with celebrity names. You're just going to go up to that celebrity that you chose out of my popcorn box. You're going to take a cute picture of the QR code, and you're going to go to that website, and you're going to read up what wrong that they did, and then you're going to write a paragraph, and you're going to create a letter. All right? Really simple. Shouldn't take you the whole class period to do, all right? So be working on it, be getting it done, turning it in today. It is due today. You need to turn it in by the end of class. All right? So I can't wait to see you guys again tomorrow. All right? I know you're missing me. I know it's sad. It's okay. I will be back tomorrow. All right? So have a good rest of the day. Bye, guys.